welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today we're gonna do cleaning and decorating. And we're so excited because we wait all year for Christmas, right? Mm-hmm. Especially Sophie. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let's get started.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe.
In this video, we're going to start our Christmas decorating process. We won't finish it in this video, so you won't see everything, and we will do some cleaning at the end. But stay tuned for Thanksgiving Day when we'll have our Christmas home tour video up.
Snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
We found the garland after we had already started hanging ornaments, so it would have been a little easier if we didn't have the ornaments on there when we started putting it on.
I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is.
This is an ornament that we've had for a long time that has my 4-year-old voice in it.
I heard the bells on Christmas Day. They're all familiar carols play, and wild and sweet the words repeat of peace on earth, goodwill to man. I thought how as the day had come, the belfries of all Christendom.
So every year of my life, we go to the Hallmark store and get a Madame Alexander ornament.
Then hear the bells more loud and deep. God is not dead, nor doth he sleep. The wrong shall fade, the right prevail, with peace on earth, goodwill.
my mind. I'm all for a good start.
Okay, it's the next day. I'm still finishing decorating. Katie's in the middle of a big dance performance, so we keep having to leave for dress rehearsals or performances or whatever. So we don't have a whole lot of time in every day during this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish a little bit more decorating, and then I'm gonna start cleaning.
A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you tune in on Thanksgiving Day for our Christmas home tour, and we'll see you next time.
No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland, a winter wonderland.